Okay, I'm gonna show you how to erase and program your Homelink garage door opener in your Toyota Tundra. Say for instance you're getting ready to sell or you just getting ready to program this thing. First of all, you want to clear it. You take this first button and this third button. You want to hold it down until that light starts blinking rapidly green. It takes about 15 or 20 seconds. See, now it's cleared. So now what you want to do is take your garage door opener, the one that's already programmed, and you want to program either of these buttons. We're going to do this first one. First, you want to hit it. You see it's red. You want to put your garage door opener next to it, and you want to hold it. And you see the garage is going down. It should start blinking green, and it's done. With this, you can put this down. But what you want to do, once it go all the way down, you want to hit this button and bring it back up. And you may have to hit it twice. You see that? Now it stopped blinking. But what you want to also do is just make a full cycle a couple of times. As you see, it's all the way up. It stopped. And you want to hit it again and bring it all the way down. And what it's doing is learning itself. So now it should be good. So if I hit that button again, it should go up. There you go. And that's how easy it is to do. And if you want to program your other ones, it's the same way. As you can see, I'm gonna hit this button. You're gonna see it's not programmed. It's not gonna do nothing but blink. You see right there? But the only thing I have to do is get my garage door opener and hold it, and it'll program it. So that's all you have to do. So to lower it down, I'm gonna hit this button. And to lower it back up, I'm gonna hit it again and stop it. There you go. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.